2017 GMC Yukon. No crank, no start. Customer stated that she got into the truck, put her foot on the brake, hit the button, because this is a push button start, and there was nothing. No crank, no start. But all the lights come on, all the windows work, everything was square business. So I jumped out, I tested, so I got here, I tested the battery tested good. Tested the starter tested good. Came back inside, tried to start it, looked down, and the check engine light wasn't coming on whenever I activated the ignition button. So that told me that either the ECU relay was bad or the fuse was bad. I checked both of those and both of them were still good. They tested 100. So I turned around, and a couple years back I had another truck like this, or a swap that we did in another vehicle. We did a swap on a Camaro and put one of these motors in it. It was a LS swap we did, and I remember having one issue with this before, and I remember seeing this sponginess on this lockdown here, and this one here was solid. I was like, oh, I remember this one. So I came over here and I pushed down on this corner, and I heard the ignition inside the truck go. Ah, there we go. So this connection down here, because this is not holding well, it lifts up over vibration over time, and those get separated. A little bit of condensation gets in there, a little bit of corrosion. So what you got to do is pop this right here, pop this on this side, pop it all the way up, and then you come over here and you get this thingamajigger right here, and this dilly-ma-whopper on this side, and you pop that one all the way over. See, now your connections are have been a little bit separated. You know what I'm saying? So then you pop this back down, pop that one back down, like that, and then you watch, you push this down. I'm gonna show you what it does. Let's see if it does it on this one. See, right there, that's your issue. Even though you locked this one all the way down, it still did not make a connection. You have to push it down like that. Come inside the truck, and bam, there's your check engine light. Baby fires right up. All right, if it helps, if it worked, let me know. Cash at me $1 to Joey D Auto, and I appreciate you, baby. Love y'all. Peace out.